Hello everyone. My name is Krisjeet. I am 16 years old and I am in 11th grade. This is my shopping mall app for the senior division in the NCRC competition by SB Robotic Works. I have my app right here. When we open the app, the first page is the COVID-19 guidelines page, which shows all the precautions that are to be taken in the mall. Next, we have the general instructions for COVID, which takes us to a video explaining all the precautions and how they are to be
Namaskar,
taken.
this is Amitabh Bachchan. The novel coronavirus or COVID-19 disease can be stopped. Together, we can do it. All we need to do is to take some basic precautions. Whenever you cough or sneeze, always cover your mouth with a handkerchief or a tissue. Throw the used tissues into a closed dustbin immediately. Don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth unnecessarily. Wash your hands with soap more frequently and for at least 20 seconds. Avoid participating in large gatherings. If you have a cough, fever, or difficulty in breathing, avoid close contact with anyone. Visit the nearest health facility or your doctor immediately if you have any of these symptoms. Cover your mouth and nose using a mask or a cloth at this time. For more information, contact the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, whose helpline is 011 239 78046. Help us to help you.
We also have a pharmacy option. When we click the pharmacy button, it will take us to a website where we can order medicines easily. The next option is the Arogya Setu option, which takes us to the installing page for the app so that we can know more about the COVID situation around us. The next option is an emergency option. If one of your family members feels sick and think that it is corona, it will take you to the website which explains what you need to do and how to check whether you have it or not. Last button is the I accept button, meaning that you will follow all the mentioned guidelines. When you click this, it will take you to the welcome page. We have 4 options here. If we need to scan a QR or a barcode, we can do it with this scan QR code option. Next, we have the locate mall option, which will show us where the mall's location is. Then we have a shopping list option. If we need to buy anything, we can create a shopping list here to remember what all needs to be bought. And then the last option takes us to the home page of the mall, where we see the latest offers and sales. Say we are interested about the Pizza Hut sale. When we click on it, it will take us directly to the Pizza Hut shop page. Or we can click on Get Started, which will take us to the floor selection page, where we can see that all the floors are categorized. Say on the ground floor, we want to go to the Reebok store. There we are presented with 4 more options. The first option takes us back to the previous page so that we can go to a different shop. The second option will take us to a different page where we can see all the shops locations on the ground floor by their numbers, which we can match with the numbers shown on the shop page. The third takes us to the floor selection page in case we want to change the floor we are on. The fourth takes us to the website so that we can know more about the shop, or if required we can also order online. The same format is followed all throughout the ground floor, the first floor and the second floor. On the third floor, we are presented with 4 different kinds of entertainment options. We have the bowling alley, the entertainment zone, the gaming zone, and the cinema halls. If say we have to book a movie, when we click on it, we are taken to a website where we can easily book our movie online. The same is the case for all the other options. That will be all for my app. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, as 1 like is equal to 1 vote for me.